abilities as a native, but I'm not native. Not possible being native myself. Yeah.
Mm, okay.
But I want to show my abilities of speaking for making my customer here. Yeah. Yeah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well. Hans, is it?
Yeah. Correct. James.
Well,
Right.
Jamie. Jamie.
Jamie. Sorry about that.
So,
Jamie.
so
Nice to meet you.
yeah, so I'm Jamie. I'm from England. I currently live in Thailand, and
Wow.
yeah, and I'm studying software development at the moment.
Software
What?
development.
Yeah.
Right.
What about you? What do you do?
Uh, I'm now kind of unemployed
Okay, that's
because
okay.
yeah, I opened my English academy July. Yeah, but
Hmm.
I have not about my customer yet. It is same
Okay,
as unemployed.
okay. Well, that's okay. When you start a business, it's hard to start to begin with, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah,
It takes some time. Where are you from?
yeah. Here, South Korea. Yeah,
South Korea. Okay,
yeah, yeah, yeah.
nice. And so I think I know the answer, but why are you trying to improve your English at the moment for
Yeah,
your business?
yeah, my business. Yeah, actually, yeah, now, yeah, in South Korea, all over academy, they has about the foreign native speaker. Yeah,
Hmm.
but I have not that. Yeah. But I want to show my abilities about speaking abilities as a native. But I'm not native. Not possible being native myself. Yeah.
Mm, okay.
But I want to show my abilities about speaking for making my customer here. Yeah. That's it. Yeah. But how to that? I always need to keep improving myself on my abilities. Yeah.
Yeah, of course, of course.
Yeah.
So, I mean, starting a business is hard then. So, what are the main challenges that you faced when you started your business?
First the difficulty is I can tell that yeah, every South Korean they say they wanna be learn English, but they really not interesting about the English.
Okay.
But they just say that like a habit. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So
Yeah.
it sounds like me with my Thai. I
Yeah.
keep saying that I want to learn Thai, but I'm not really doing much
Yeah.
about it.
That's right.
Okay. So so it's hard to find customers. Is that the main issue then?
Mhm. Yeah, I
Okay.
need focusing about where the main target. Yeah, actually, I think about now my possible customer is university student. They really
Okay.
curious about the English and they wanna do well speak English. But I don't know how to approach them.
Okay. Yeah, unless you go into the universities and
Yeah.
start speaking to the universities,
Mhm.
yeah, it's difficult. Yeah, so would you teach kids or is it mostly for
Mostly
adults and
for adults, include the high school student.
okay.
Yeah, but I don't want to teaching about kids. Yeah, because I have the rule for myself. Yeah, I don't want to ruin the kids' mother tongue. Yeah, I don't do that. Yeah, a lot
Okay.
of kids going to the overseas country for learning the English. Then when they back to the Korea, they are ruined their mother tongue. Not good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, I don't think many people mind about that too much. Like
Mm.
my accent now, because I've been in Thailand for nearly 10 years.
Mhm.
So I hang around with a lot of people from Australia, from America. So my accent is not normal. Like I,
You are normal,
I
yeah. I
like
can catch your accent, yeah.
if I speak to someone in Thailand, they're like, "Oh, you sound English," right? If I speak to someone in England, like one of my friends from school, they're like, "What happened to your accent?" you sound a little bit Australian. What's happening?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But your accent modifying is correct, means right, because humans want to be more sure life, more sure easy life.
Mm,
You want to get that, yeah. Then your accent is yeah, adopting the you are around the place
yeah.
for your surviving. That is right.
Yeah. No. Also, it's good not to teach children because children are a nightmare.
Yeah,
Um,
nightmare. Right?
I,
True,
I, I,
true.
I try not to teach children as well. I'm only here for adults.
Mhm.
But sometimes like the children manage to slip through and get through to me, and I don't like it because the kids don't want to be here.
That's
With adults, they want to learn. That's why they're here. Otherwise, there's no point. With kids, they're here because their mums got them by the ear and makes them go.
right.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah, yeah, that's right. Yeah,
yeah,
actually, learner need the desire for learn new. Yeah, but kids, most kids not as that. Yeah, that is
mm,
make the attitude for learning. Yeah, yeah, the kids. Yeah, yeah. I have the special experience about the lifting guide in the river. Yeah, when I was 28 at that time, my credit and my financial struggle, then I tried to do that part-time job. Yeah. And someday I tried to the lifting with the 10 kids as a elementary school kids.
right.
they they only focusing me just less 10 minutes, 10 seconds. Well,
Yeah,
I'm keep yelling them for their safety.
yeah,
Yeah, now at the time I figure out what is kids.
yeah. Kids are a nightmare. Kids
Yeah.
are a nightmare. So what made you decide to become a tutor then? Why did you want to be an English tutor?
It is simple. Yeah, I don't have a English major. I don't have a career of the learnings to the overseas country. Yeah, but I easily adopt to English myself. Yeah,
Hmm.
that's I want to share my experience about how to get English. Yeah, I thought I easily get English myself. I don't have any hardness for when I try learning English. Yeah,
Okay.
that I want to share that good points to the people. In Korea, a lot of adults they well known about the English words, about the 500 words, about 1,000 words. Most people know, but they couldn't assemble that English words for make a sentence, for make a speech.
Yeah.
I want to help the little point about the assemble English.
Okay. Nice. So you kind of want to use your passion.
Yeah,
Do you have like a online presence as well? Do you
At the
do
time,
like daily Instagram posts and things like that?
business make me change every day. Yeah, now I try to the more familiar about the social media. Yeah,
Mm,
and actually now I'm keep focusing about YouTube acting because I wanted to show my English lessons through the YouTube for the
okay.
uh, anonymous Korean. Yeah, yeah, that's it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah. No, I hate social media.
Mm.
I
That's good. Yeah.
I I opened my own business last year, but it was a restaurant. But unfortunately,
Mhm.
social media is a big part of running a business.
Yeah, that's
Um,
right.
so uh, so I had to force myself every day to be on Instagram, to be on Facebook. I absolutely hated it.
Yeah.
Um, yeah, eventually I hired someone else to do that. But you have to
Yeah,
have the money first, right? So for the
yeah.
first six
You know,
months, oh
but that is very competitive competitions work because now every people using the social media for exposure to their business. It is
mm,
kind of the flyers. Yeah. But flyers much easy way. Just you can print it and spread it to the all your flyer to everywhere. But now people is just focusing new. Yeah, yeah. You upload your details of your cafe or restaurant, but another new ones charging the all of interest from the people with the new posting. It is very competitions environment, I think.
Yeah, no, it's very hard. We tried handing out like paper flyers as well,
Mhm.
but a lot of people didn't like it
Yeah, yeah,
because of the environmental impact, right?
yeah, yeah.
So everyone's more conscious about the environment now, and if you look at where we were, there's so many parties and different events where they hand out flyers every day that everyone that lives there is just fed up with seeing paper on the floor and
Mm.
posters that have been there for 5 years, you know. So it's a bit more difficult. But no, the business eventually started making money, and then I decided to sell my shares because I don't want to work in restaurants anymore because there's too much work. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
but
But
yeah.
I'm now every day having the lot of work. Yeah, for making
Mm.
my customer here, runner. Yeah. Uh,
So do you have any customers?
Actually, last month, sorry, I had the two customers, but they quit. Yeah, because my business partner, he is a foreign English teacher. Yeah, he's a sudden kick reason by his illness. Yeah, that is make happen about the uh, sudden. Yeah, my customer kicks from my academy. Yeah.
Okay.
Hmm. And I'm now a little struggle, but okay. Yeah, I'm now really exciting because I tried the new challenge. New challenge make me the not boring. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. And you just got to keep working at it. Keep working at it. Eventually, it will work.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So sometimes you got to do like some crazy deals as well, like 50% off for the first 2 months or something, just so that you can start getting people in, and then they tell their friends about it. You know, it's always the start that's the hard part, right?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, it is a very new challenge because
Yeah.
I told about I don't have any English career. Yeah, yeah,
Mm.
I'm just always do self running. Uh, but I never I was not try about the kind of this business. Uh, I it is everything is new for me. I'm trying to challenge for everything new. Yeah,
Yeah. Nice. Nice. Well, yeah, you always gotta wish people luck when they want to start their own business. I understand it's a lot of work. It's a
yeah,
lot
yeah,
of work.
yeah.
Many nights not sleeping because you're worried about the business, and
Yeah, but
yeah,
I tried the where it's sleeping. Yeah, always turn on the music when I try sleep. Yeah, yeah,
yeah.
very low volumes and like bird whisperings. Yeah, that's
Mm.
make me the easily get sleep. Yeah.
Okay.
Mhm.
Yeah, I'm studying right now, and every night when I go to sleep, I dream about my study. I'm dreaming of because
Oh,
I'm doing a project right now, so I have one more week to finish my project.
uh,
And so like when I wake up, like, oh, I can do that, I can do that, I can do that.
you
It's
really
it's
focus on your main job. Yeah, you are software
yeah,
developer.
it's
Wow.
yeah, it's hard to switch off, you know.
Mhm.
But it was the same when I was running the restaurant. I would go to sleep and I couldn't sleep because I'm thinking about work so much. You know,
Mhm.
like when you
Oh,
have
please get good sleep for your
yeah
conditions. Yeah.
yeah for health. That's why I left. That's why I left. Yeah.
Yeah.
So what are you doing today then?
Yeah. Now, I will go to the lunch after finish this lesson. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah. That's it.
very nice.
That is my next plan.
Nice. Well, it was lovely to meet you.
Yeah. Nice to meet you,
Good luck with
Jamie. Yeah.
everything. Yeah,
Yeah. You too. Yeah.
Hans.
Yeah.
Have a
Bye.
nice day. I'll see you
Have a nice
later.
day.
Bye.
See you later.